Before we get started, I'd like to ask you to like, share, and subscribe. And please comment. I need the feedback to improve. Okay, Smith & Wesson 686-3 Snub Nose 357 Magnum 38 Special. I picked this one up 4 or 5 years ago. It actually was an import, and I didn't ask where it was imported from, but it's got the import marks here and here up on the barrel. I had to replace the rear sight leaf and the rear sight blade. It was frozen up and rusted so bad I couldn't get it broken loose, so I just had to replace the whole thing. The finish on this thing was just horrible, and it's not great now. I mean, it's acceptable as far as I'm concerned. It doesn't look horrible, but before it had a bunch of scratches and dings. Those import marks was really rough. I don't know who did it, but they, you know, it's small, you don't really notice it, but they were really rough enough to cut you. But I spent a little time on it and cleaned it up. Put me a set of Hogue grips on it, which I really like. These things are very comfortable. They fit my hand just perfect. The gun itself, mechanically, it's perfect. One of the best triggers I've ever had on a revolver. Believe it or not. I mean, whoever done the trigger job on it knew what he was doing. Done an excellent job. But I wanted a snubby. I don't care much for the square butt revolvers. I wanted a snubby round butt. And around here they were just awful expensive. This one I got for several hundred under what people were asking for them around here. And yeah, it took a little work and had to pay a little bit for the parts that I use, but I still don't have as much as I would have if I'd just bought one outright. And sometimes you can do that and sometimes you can't. Just depends on what kind of condition they are and how much they're asking for them. But as far as shooting, it shoots as good, if not better, than any of the new ones that I've had recently. As far as the looks are concerned, yeah, it doesn't look brand new, but sure does look fine to me. Thanks for watching.